Case study 3 from the chapter Triangle. Question is a scale drawing of an object is the same shape at the object but a different size. That means similar figures. The scale of a drawing is comparison of the length on a drawing to the length it represents. The scale is written as ratio. So the ratio of two corresponding sides in similar figure is called the scale factor. So scale factor is length in image and corresponding length in object. Okay, actually, see, big trains and aeroplanes, we cannot draw, means shape can be same. Yes, aeroplane cannot be big, cannot be helicopter, right? Plane will be plane, aeroplane will be aeroplane, but with a smaller size. Okay, so that scale factor is used. If one shape can become another using revising, then the shapes are similar. Hence, two shapes are similar when one can become the other after a resize, flip, and side or turn. Okay. In the photograph below showing the side view of the train engine, scale factor is 1 is to 200. Okay, this is the scale factor. This means that a length of 1 centimeter on the photograph above corresponds to a length of 200 centimeter or 2 meter of the actual engine. So the scale can also be written as the ratio of two lengths. Yes, it is ratio of two lengths, right? In similar triangle also what we do, we take ratio of the two lengths of the triangle. So here instead of triangle, they have used the engines here. So we'll go to the questions now. So first question is, if length of the model is 11 centimeter, then the overall length of the engine in the photograph above. Now we know a scale factor is given to us for 1 centimeter. 200 centimeter is the ratio, isn't it? So if this changes to 11 centimeter, so this could be 11 into 200 centimeter, isn't it? So 2200 centimeter means 22 meter is the answer, which is in option D. Next is, what will affect the similarity of any two polygons? So they are flipped horizontally. It is mentioned in the paragraph also that if they flip, if we rotate, okay, it won't affect the similarity. So they are flipped horizontally, no effect will be there. They are dilated by a scale factor, no effect will be there. Okay, dilated by means 1 by 200. So we can write 0.5 by 100, isn't it? Further also dilation we can do. So that means ratio is fixed, no? If you simplify, get the ratio, it will be fixed. So it will be similar only. So this also will not affect the similarity. They are translated down. This also will not will not affect the similarity. They are not the mirror image of one another. So if they are not the mirror image of one another, this will affect the similarity of the two polygons. Okay, not mirror image of each other means one will be different with the other one. They are not exactly same. That means they are not the similar figures, right? So option D is correct. Third question, what is the actual width of the door if width of the door in photograph is 0.35 centimeter? No, for 1 centimeter we have 200 centimeter. This is the scale factor. So for 0.35, sorry, 35, what we will do? Multiply this into 200. Okay, so we will get here uh, 70 centimeter, right? 70 centimeter. So here it is not given 70 centimeter. So we'll check whether meter if we convert. So 0.7 meter will come. So 0.7 meter. Yes, it is there in option A. So option A will be correct option. Next question is, if two similar triangles have a scale factor 5 is to 3. That means sides are in the ratio 5 is to 3. Then median also will be the same ratio. Altitudes will be in the same ratio. Angle bisector. All these things will be in the same ratio. So here we will check. Angle bisector 11 is to 5, not correct. Medians 10 is to 4. If you simplify, we'll get 5 is to 2, not correct. This if we simplify 25 is to 15. So this will be 5 is to 3. Okay, we are getting the same ratio. So this could be the answer. Here also 15 is to 1. So ratio of their perimeter is given 15 is to 1. This is also not correct. So B option will be the correct option. Next question, question number 5. Length of AB in the given figure. We should find. Okay, this X value we should find. Now clearly these two triangle means triangle ABC and the whole triangle means ADC. ADE, sorry. Both are similar, right? Because A angle we can take common. A angle will be common. And these two angles 90 degree. So by A criteria they will be similar. That means their sides we can write as in equal proportion. So AB by AD I can write. AB by AD I can write. And then BC by DE I can write. So AB length is X, but AD length is X plus 4, right? AD is whole length, X plus 4. BC is 3, DE is 6. Cross multiply here, 6X equals to 3X plus 12. So if we take 3X to this side, left hand side, we'll get 3X equal to 12. X will be equal to 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. So AB length is asked, which is X centimeter, and X value we got as 4 centimeter. So C option is the correct option.